Today we are pretty much just getting ready to go to our travel contract. So for those of you who are new here, my name is D'Amber. I am 29 years old and I am a travel nurse. So my travel contract is an hour and a half away from home. So I just pretty much book rooms and Airbnbs while I'm there, and then on my days off I come back home. So with that being said, I just need to cook lunch and pack a bag, and that's it for the rest of the night. Now, this is how I like to cook my taco meat. Y'all don't have to cook y'all's like this. I'm not draining it, and that's just how I like to cook it in my household, and I promise you it would literally be okay. But either way it goes, I really was just trying to tell y'all, it's pretty funny to me that I became a nurse. And me and my sister, we laugh about it all the time because growing up, I was the kid that was always in trouble. Like, everybody was literally worried about me, like my coaches, elementary, middle school, high school teachers, family members, because I literally stayed in trouble. And I just don't even remember like the things that I was doing. I just know I was always doing something. But I will also say that I was always very determined to get things done. So whenever I would ask somebody for help with doing something, whether it was a teacher or a coach or like, trying to get something done to help me better myself. Whenever somebody would tell me no, I always had this determination to prove them wrong. And I kind of just used that going forward in my life. So like whenever I got to nursing school, people would tell me no, or I would get, no's all the time. But I'm like, you can tell me no, but all I need is a one yes. So either way it go, it really doesn't matter what type of childhood upbringing you have. You literally have the ability to be successful. I literally work beside people who have criminal records. And I'm telling you, like, that's the hardest thing to have in this career because people are judging you regardless, this career or anything, but they really make it hard, especially in this career, because you have to deal with so many different things and they're looking for you to mess up. So like I said, if I could work alongside people with criminal records, and if you want to become a nurse or do anything in life, you literally have the ability to do so. Just don't give up and literally just keep going. I promise you it will all work out. I already had a bite of it, and let me tell y'all, it is so good already. Like, I can't wait till my garlic bread get finished and I can devour the rest. Lunch is packed for the week, or it's cooked, I should say. We're finna pack it. So I have this big cooler that I take with me, and I just pack everything up in there. So I have Alfredo in here. I'll probably split this up between, what's today? Today's Wednesday. I have Thursday's lunch in my little crock pot. So Friday and Saturday, I'll probably split this up. And then that'll probably be lunch and dinner. That way I don't have to buy any dinner when I get out of work either. And then I have my taco meat for Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday. Now my taco meat, I just buy Doritos. I take the whole bag. I'm not separating it. Whatever I don't use, I bring back home. Same with the lettuce. Same with the cheese. And same with the damn, what's this, taco sauce, mild sauce. And then like I said, I have a mini crock pot for this, so I'm just gonna put this in my actual lunch box instead of in here, because I take this whole lunch box and I put it in the refrigerator while I'm at work. I just gotta get everything ready for my 6-day stretch. I like working 6 days straight. I know a lot of people may call me crazy, but at least I know when those 6 days are over, like, y'all don't have to see me for another week or another 8 days. That's the best part about working a 6-day stretch. So I'm gonna get my cosmetic bag together. Then after this, I'm gonna take me a shower, and then I'm gonna get my bag with my scrubs and everything. Cause literally when I go down there, all I pack is like my scrubs and my pajamas, my work shoes, and my slippers. I don't pack anything extra because 9 times out of 10, I go to work and I go home intentionally. Like, I be tired, I don't want to go out and do anything. That's my agenda. But I will tell y'all this, your girl bought some new work shoes on her birthday. So I like to buy my work shoes in twos because when I find them on sale. And I'm personally a Brooks Ghost girly. That's all that I wear on my 12-hour shifts on a med-surg unit. Now, when I work in the PACU, I be wearing my Birkenstocks because I don't be doing as much walking, and it'd be way more chiller than the floor. So tomorrow, I think we're gonna bust out our brand new Brooks. These were like 90 bucks. Literally the best shoes. I had plantar fasciitis, y'all, my first nursing job, and it lasted for like 6 months to a year. It was the worst experience. And when I switched over to these Brooks Ghost Max, my feet have been so much better. Like, I will say, I'm not a girl that likes to wear light color shoes because I like to keep them for a little bit, but I will also say too that Brooks Ghost Max, they're not a longevity shoe. I switch my shoes out about every 4 months because after a while you can feel that they're breaking down and they're not doing what they need them to do. That's the only complaint about them, but other than that, I love them and I don't mind buying a new pair every 3 to 4 months as long as my feet ain't hurting. Good morning. It is 4:48. I want to be out of here by the next 12 minutes to make sure that I'm on work at least 15 minutes early. So I'm just going to hurry up and do some skincare and then get up out of here. I'm sad that this day is here, but I'm also glad so I can get it over. I'm just so tired. I feel like I did get some good sleep last night though. I feel like no matter how early I wake up or how much sleep I get, I'm just gonna always say that I'm tired. I'm really sick of this nose ring too. Next, Clinique. I don't know, every morning I use only 3 squirts. It's like a perfect number, which is weird. Black Girl Sunscreen. All right, time to tackle this head. Woo! I'll be honest, I don't feel like doing anything to it today. Scrub cap. For the people in the back, put those sacred drops on the edges. Scrub cap. Say it loud with me, people. Scrub cap. Oh wait, that's actually funny. The day that I don't feel like doing it, it doesn't look terrible. But guess what? Still throwing on a scrub cap. I mean, look how simple. Don't have to do anything. And we are on. We are good to go. I feel like I be having a little egghead shape in this. But you know what? I'm starting not to care. Oh, look. Should have flat ironed that. Oh, well. Some gloss. All right, let's look to see. Maps tells me that if I was to leave right now, I would get to work at 6:22. That's too early. So, well, you know what? It might not be because I got this big old cooler that I need to put my stuff in. So yeah, let me get up and act like I got things to do. Okay, we made it to the car. It is now 5:01, so I'm just gonna go ahead and head out. My ETA is exactly 6:30, so, and I gotta clock in at 6:45. So that's as long as I miss no turns. And to know me is to know I'm gonna miss an exit. So let me go ahead and get started. Okay, so I just got to work. I'm finna go in. I don't even know what time it is. It's like 6:36. Just got here. I clock in at 6:45, but I'm actually finna clock in now because I need to go put my stuff in the refrigerator. But I will see y'all after my shift and we'll talk about how the day 1 of 6 went. See you guys later. So today I actually had a really good day for my shift. So like I started the shift out with only 4 patients. I was supposed to have 5, but I never got an admission. I literally discharged 3 of my patients and I didn't get a new admission until 5 o'clock. So I pretty much had sat on 1 patient a majority of the day. Like I get the ICU life just a little bit because my patient wasn't critical. So either way go, it was a very much well needed day on a med-surg unit. And my 1 patient, she was literally so grateful. All I did was literally change her dressing and she was in the room crying tears because she was so grateful that I came in there and I did that. And I'm like, honey, this is literally my job. You are my only patient and I have nothing else to do. Even if I had other stuff to do, I would still try to get your dressing change done. But regardless, like I said, today was a really good day as far as work. Now, as far as my living situation when I got off work, so when I travel, I like to either book hotel rooms or Airbnbs. And if I do Airbnbs, I like to do them where it's just myself. I was having a hard time finding somewhere to go. So I ended up booking this Airbnb that had 4 rooms to a house. But when I spoke to the lady, she told me that the basement was a private entrance, like it would just be me down there. So that was essentially what I booked. This morning, I get an email from Airbnb telling me like, or I got a message on Airbnb telling me where to go, where to park, all this stuff. But she was like, go upstairs to the 3rd floor and your room will be the room B to the left. So I emailed her back and I'm like, hey, I thought I was supposed to be in the basement. Pretty much, I guess I didn't book the basement. I'm positive I did, but I don't know what happened. So we ended up canceling that. So literally that happened at like 12 o'clock 1. So I literally had to find somewhere to stay before I got off work. So I just ended up booking a hotel room. But yes, either way it goes, today was a really good shift. This is pretty much how I prep to go into my days of work. And the rest of the week will literally look just like this. Me getting up, going to work, coming home, taking a shower, relaxing. With that being said, I'm going to finish out this work week. Thank you guys so much for watching this vlog. I will see you guys next week. I don't know if I'm going to do a vlog. I kind of want to do a question and answer. So if you guys have any questions, ask, or if I'm just going to talk about a topic. But thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys next week. Bye.